Well, today I am cleaning up some castings. Like I've shown you in the past, it doesn't matter if it's brand new from Spain, the new Webers, some of the old ones, what I call the CCs, the Chinese copies or the clones, Chinese clones. Actually, these are a lot better than the brand new ones that I inspected side by side. Did I bring in 3 to 5 different brand new ones to sample them and to see consistency? No. But I have some brand new ones that were purchased just a couple of years ago. They're from Italy. And we went through and we did find some issues with some of the castings. Somebody said, well, this one area is not really used anymore, so it doesn't matter. Well, to me it matters. So when I look at QC, I look at castings, I look at stuff. So on this one here, and I actually got a couple more of them from this one company. I know I'm not supposed to tell you what company they are, but I got a couple of them, and these seem to be a very consistent company. They do a good job, but they seem to have a little bit of a casting issue right here. So I've been coming in along here, and I just used my little Dremel, and I have my little sets here, and I cleaned it up. So I got rid of that, and I cleaned it up. And right now I'm just cleaning up these in here. So this is basically what I'm doing. And I came along here beforehand and I confirmed the size of it. And then there's a few other areas, especially with the new Venturis, or the chokes, as they would say, from a couple of the copy companies. They seem to be the weakest areas, in my opinion. You know, we work so hard on the heads, and we're doing the 3-angle valve jobs. We're cleaning them up. We're taking brand new ones. It doesn't matter who you get them from. We're cleaning them up. Well, if you get them from Pat Downs Direct and he went through them, they're good. But I'm talking about ones you're buying out of a box. You got to go through all the little details. And I don't believe that most people are doing that on the carburetors. So I've come along here, and I'm not using this tool, but I've noticed that there's a lot of sharp edges either going down. So it's probably not going to do a lot, but I look at it as just like with the heads. So I clean them all up. So every set of these I've hand cleaned them up. I have some new tools coming in the barn, so I can put them in and run them at a good frequency and take some sandpaper and clean them up like you would with the CBs. So we're just coming along here, cleaning up a couple of the castings. The rest of it look really, really good. And there we go, little cleanup castings like you would on your heads. We're doing it for the carburetors. Let's make it flow. Let's make it optimal on what we have.